about this funny face I put on to the pool. When I move my mouth, this thing is moving. Okay, I know it doesn't look like I'm talking, but I am talking. Yes. Don't worry, just the face effect. See? Yeah, show face like this. But here's I'm gonna just tell you how it is. So basically, I had made up my own. And then after that, I found this. So I don't tell like that. But bye. And you bird.